Ready Seal Stain and Sealer claims to be goof proof. Like, literally, it's on the can. Now, if my 4-year-old daughter is to be believed, I'm the goofiest dad in the whole world, so I feel particularly qualified to test that claim. The first thing I did is build a fence. I didn't say it was a big fence. All right, the next logical step in this test is to fill some water balloons with Ready Seal. Now I know what you're thinking. I'm gonna throw the water balloons against the fence. But no, see, I'm an artist, and I had a better idea. So I've always been jealous of those artists that get to create art by throwing darts at water balloons filled with paint. So that's what I created here with Ready Seal. I'm gonna create my own masterpiece. Okay, so maybe I'll throw just one. All right, I'm gonna let that soak in, and I'm gonna get a sandwich. All right, it's been about 10 minutes since I did that to the fence. Now, obviously, that's not standard procedure for applying Ready Seal. So what I'm going to do now, come back with a paintbrush, the rest of the Ready Seal, fill in those gaps, and then we'll see if you can even tell that I did that. So you know how sometimes you get done staining your fence and then you decide to do some yard work and forget that the stain's still wet? And then you decide to clean it up by throwing a bucket of water on it? Turns out, that's okay too. Now look, I'm not saying you should apply Ready Seal with a water balloon, but you could.